Hello, I am Debbie Bird. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are in a Ladera community, which is a 55 plus active community all over DFW. Today we are in the Fort Worth Ladera community.
This community is designed for active adults who want a vibrant lifestyle. With modern amenities and a very welcoming atmosphere, it's the perfect place to call home. Let's check out some highlights. We have the clubhouse where residents gather for events, classes, and social activities, a gorgeous pool, which also has scheduled fitness classes. There's even a fully equipped fitness center to help everyone stay active and healthy.
And we have a very rare exclusive tour of a resale. Most of the time you're going to find new construction. They're a little bit smaller than what we're going to show today, but today we have one with all of the upgrades and it is exclusive to this channel. So come on, let's go take a tour.
All right, let's check out the inside. Welcome in. Okay, just off to the right, we have an office. You'll notice there are plantation shutters on the front. It is on every window in this whole house, so that's an upgrade. And just to the left, there is a little half bath. And of course, a coat closet.
One of the things that I love is this gorgeous kitchen. So you've got this obviously enormous bar countertop that's granite, gas range. You've got oven, built-in microwave, a beautiful refrigerator that comes with it, does not normally come with it. Then up here you have a study and a half bath for your guests. And then as we walk around to here, you have a fireplace with a TV already mounted above it if you don't want to do that. Really, this home is all in. It's lock and leave. Their HOA takes care of all of the yard work, so there's nothing that you have to worry about in taking care of the home in that way. Plus, you've got the amenity center that's literally just across the street.
Okay, let's check out the rest of the house. There's a dining area here. Looks over the back porch, and of course this is all open. Vaulted ceilings with upgraded to wood beams. All of these light fixtures are also upgrades. And we'll head across here. First is the laundry room. Nice size with the cabinets and countertop. And then over here we have a primary bedroom with beautiful tray ceilings and a really nice bathroom with a double vanity. Hello. And maybe my favorite part of this room is this massive closet.
Oh, check out this closet. Can you believe this? It's so nice.
Okay, back out, we have on the left side of the wall, you'll notice this is a jewelry hanger actually. And then a nice walk-in shower with a seat. And we'll head back across. So this house has a little over 2,100 square feet. It is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath home. So on this side, you have a guest room. Also with an ensuite bath. That's very nice. Little closet. And just through here is a generously sized pantry. And then one of my favorite parts about this house is this garage that they do not make in this development anymore, but it's a 3-car tandem garage, so you could have plenty of extra storage or a golf cart. or that old car that somebody's working on. All right, let's check out the back porch because this is another very special thing about this property in particular. Okay, this one has a huge back porch and it looks over a park. Plus it's got its own little private entrance to that trail behind you that you see, that little walking path. And you can catch some incredible sunsets from this back porch. Okay, I would love to know what you think of this home so far. We're going to go across to the amenity center so you can see that a little bit, but I would love to hear what you think of this.
Guys, we are in the Ladera community. It is a 55 plus active community. It's gated. HOA takes care of all the yard work, so you can lock and leave. You can go on vacation and not worry about anything taken care of on your house. There are amenities. Every time I come in here during the day, there's somebody playing games at these tables. There's pool right in here. There's a big kitchen so you can host parties. There is a pool that some ladies just left. And there are pickleball courts next to it. There's so much to do here. If this is the kind of community you or your family are looking for, I would love to help you out. There are Ladera communities all over Fort Worth, or all over DFW rather, and this one happens to be in Fort Worth. So give me a call, drop a comment in the box.